Welcome to ClearTask. Today we're going to show you exactly how to find your saved posts, also known as drafts, on Substack. If you started writing an article and need to pick up right where you left off, here is how to locate your work in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Substack account. Once you are in your publication workspace, navigate to your dashboard. This is your main home base for managing your writing and your audience. From your dashboard, look at the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the tab labeled Posts. This section aggregates all of your writing in one organized place. Now, within the Post section, click on the Drafts view. This is the key step. The Drafts folder is where Substack stores all of your saved, unpublished posts. You will see each draft listed with its title and the last time it was edited, so you can easily identify which piece you want to continue working on. And that's all there is to it. You can now quickly jump back into your writing. If this guide was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.